This is unacceptable. This borders on treason. If it is not itself treason.
Is bombshell evidence of conspiracy and criminal intent.
We're now beyond obstruction of justice in terms of what's being investigated. This is moving into perjury, false statements, and even into potentially treason.
Collusion, perjury, treason. Throughout the Trump-Russia saga, these and other loaded legal terms have decorated media headlines, slipped into teleprompters, and been repeatedly refuted by the president himself.
There was no collusion, and everybody, even my enemies, have said there is no collusion.
But what do these words even mean? Let's start with collusion. According to Merriam-Webster, collusion is a secret agreement or cooperation, especially for an illegal or deceitful purpose. It has become a convenient catch-all term to describe links between the Trump campaign and Russia during the election. But in this case, collusion is not a specific federal crime. Conspiracy, on the other hand, is a misdemeanor in the criminal code. That's when two or more people conspire to commit an offense against the United States, whether they actually do it or not. Then there's treason, which is essentially the crime of betraying one's country. The U.S. Criminal Code defines it as the act of levying war against the United States or adhering to or giving aid and comfort to its enemies by one who owes it allegiance. But it can't just be any enemy. It has to be one that the U.S. is currently at war with. And last time I checked, the U.S. has not declared war on Russia. Making a false statement is the federal crime of concealing a material fact, making an untrue statement, or using documents known to be falsified. In other words, lying to federal officials. This is similar to perjury, which is the act or crime of knowingly making a false statement about a material matter while under oath. This also includes omitting information on purpose. And finally, there's obstruction of justice, the crime or act of willfully interfering with the process of justice and law. It's a federal offense, but to make a case, there has to be evidence that the person acted corruptly. As the Trump-Russia debacle continues to make headlines, understanding these commonly spouted legal terms will help separate facts from speculation.